Hi guys! It's me, Shari again. So for today's update, sa aking kilikili or sa aking bulbulescem, sa aking armpit hair, mga auntie at uncle. So I just take a video right now. It is because tomorrow I decided to shave my armpit. So I want to make a video tomorrow guys for shaving my armpit. So I'm so excited tomorrow. But for now, just look my armpit guys. It's a very sexy, beautiful, at look natural talaga auntie ko yung aking buhok sa kilikili. So what is the reason why I shave my armpit tomorrow? It is because May 13 is my oath-taking ceremony. So, gaganapin siya sa MOA or sa may SMX MOA. So, that event is for newly licensed professional teachers. So, that is very memorable moment talaga dahil nakapasa ako sa board exam. So, I decided to shave my armpit dahil yung damit kong susuotin, sleeveless siya or tube. So, magkukumute lang ako ng bus papunta doon sa may Pasay. So, kailangan, naka-professional look din yung ating armpit. So, magbe-makeup tayo doon ng bonggang-bongga, mag-hairstyle tayo dito. Then, of course, yung ating kilikili, it's look presentable and pretty in that moment. That because it's together with the professional teachers. So, I want to slay my dress. You want to see my dress? Okay, I want to show you later, guys. My dress is very perfect and beautiful, and that is sleeveless. So, the reason why I shave my armpit because my dress, that event is sleeveless. So, maybe I clap my hands, then show my armpit. Oh my gosh. So, I'm so really excited na umatan sa aking oath-taking sa May 13. But don't worry, guys. Tomorrow, I want to update you while I'm showering, something like that. Na mag-shave tayo, mag-undergo tayo ng shaving ng armpit natin. Anyway, nag-order na rin ako sa Block Up ng wax. So, i-shave ko po na siya tomorrow, guys, after 3 days. Then, I applying wax sa aking armpit pag medyo ganito nakahaba yung tubo niya. Kasi sobrang sakit kasi talaga pag iwa-wax ganito kahaba talaga yung buhok niya. Mahihirapan ka lang talaga, mapapasabi ka talaga, "Ow! Shit! Ang sakit ng wax!" Pero, pag nag-shave tayo sa ating kilikili, hindi siya ganun kasakit kasi gagamit tayo ng shaver talaga auntie ko. So tomorrow just abang-abang stay tuned sa aking new update tomorrow kasi tomorrow I want to shave my armpit talaga guys. Ulit-ulit tayo, repeated lang yan guys. So anyway, mamimiss ko yung ganitong moment ng kilikili ko. So dahil nga hindi naman ako kumikita na ng video sa Facebook page ko dahil nga na-demonetize siya. So, I prepare na mag-shave na muna at dito na muna ako mag-focus sa aking YouTube account. Dito na muna ako mag-upload ng mga video para walang violation. Siyempre, medyo magpo-focus na tayo dito sa YouTube. Hinihingal ako, auntie ko. So, okay guys. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow guys sa aking new update for shaving sa kilikili ko. Bye-bye.